welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a get it all done. It is Christmas week and there is a lot to be done. So I made my to-do list. I went grocery shopping yesterday and everyone was home. Kevin was home, the kids were home, and I just wanted to hang out. So I put everything away, but like I didn't restock everything and do all that. So we've got a ton of restocking. I need to organize the fridge, the pantry. I have the kids' sheets in the wash right now, so we'll need to make their beds. I have some wrapping left to do, just a little bit of like last minute things, and the kids' stockings. I want to tidy the basement since we are hosting Christmas Eve and Christmas. And laundry will get done. It's in the washing machine now, already washing, and I have the dishwasher going. So we'll need to do the laundry and empty the dishwasher. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. We will be getting so much stuff done, getting ready for Christmas. I cannot believe it's this week. I'm filming another video tomorrow, which is going to be a like clean with me, get ready for guests and all of that. So you'll see both of these videos this week. So I hope it gives you tons of cleaning motivation and organizing motivation and all of that to get everything ready for the holidays. So if you are new, I would hope you consider subscribing if you enjoy my content. I do a ton of cleaning, organizing, motherhood, and all of that kind of videos, style videos. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get started.
All the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. The traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, na na na. Oh, na na na. For love or pity, let me know. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you changing your mind? Na, we ain't got the time.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights, don't kid around. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Be with you. you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do.
I got everything done aside from the laundry because it's just still not dry yet. So I'm actually filming another video right after this one. I had to do all of this stuff before I like clean and get ready for everyone on Christmas and Christmas Eve. So that is what I am filming next. I need to change out of this sweater, which is from Walmart, by the way, which is Gangsta Rappa. So cute. It was in the men's section and it's so cute. But I digress. Now I need to change out of this because I'm so hot. It is like 20 degrees out here in Massachusetts today. So it's like cold outside, hot in here. But I need to vacuum, I need to mop, I need to dust, I need to wipe down the bathrooms, all that good stuff, and get ready for everyone to come over on Christmas and Christmas Eve. I'm so excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe and I will see you guys next time. Bye.